St. Agatha parents, welcome to our virtual open house. We are excited to be with you so that you can meet your children's teachers and have a question-answer session with them. Also, this is our first home and school meeting. We have a wonderful group of parents that are supportive of our school and involved. And so I encourage you, you are part of that home and school association. Also, they will be sending information, the committee members, as far as how you can get involved this year and support our school. Through our Home and School Association, we focus on our digital programs for our students, which have proven to be very effective. So please support our school and get involved. I would like to officially welcome the Home and School Committee, which consists of Carmen Maria Caride, Ana Cristina del Rio Chong, Veronica Hernandez, Alicia Hidalgo, which is the president, Anna Jewett, and Marexis Doga. So again, have a wonderful school year with the teachers and our wonderful Home and School Association.